I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Gemma 4 locally on Ubuntu operating system. So let's open their terminal first. Now thereafter, let's increase the size little bit. Thereafter, if I go into this and if I write there olama version, so you can see 20 version that install. So here Gemma for that support 20 and higher version. Let's use their create command. Now if I write there olama run and write there Gemma 4. So this here you can see pulling manifest and total size is 9.6 GB is there. So with the help of this command olama run Gemma 4. So with the help of this command, we can easily install Gemma 4 on Ubuntu operating system. So here 1% that's done and this will take 9.6 GB space and Gemma 4 that installs successfully. Thereafter you can send any message there. This all steps that's completed. Total size 9.6 GB